This is the Ashcroft Indian Band cooking show.
Okay, morning everyone. We're back with our cooking show, and we're gonna go a little lighter and healthier today because we've been cooking comfort food, delicious but heavy. I think we slept as soon as we went home, so we're gonna lighten it up a little today.
It's salad day.
These are two like easy salads to accompany anything. So, or I eat mine as a meal actually. I'm gonna make broccoli salad, and
I'm making a strawberry and mozzarella and spinach salad.
So I just cut up some broccoli. I like it pretty little pieces, super easy. And for the dressing, just some Miracle Whip. I'm kind of eyeballing it again. I don't have a recipe.
Looks to be about a cup and a half.
Yeah, a cup and a half. So this is one of those recipes I've taken and I've added my own stuff, taken some stuff out. The original recipe asked for real bacon, so I just grabbed bacon bits. And craisins.
Real bacon bits.
Real bacon, yeah. And sunflower seeds, which I don't like them.
I like them.
Do you? So it's up to you. And then you can I add apple and grapes. That's my own twist on it, but it's up to you. So my family will be like, what is that? But
I also add little cubed cheese to it as well, which is really good.
There you go. So I'm just gonna add the grapes in here. I've used the red grapes. And onion, purple onion, and then some apple, peeled apple. Just eyeball it. Depends how much broccoli you actually have. I like lots of apple.
I like lots of apple too.
And craisins. I'm not a huge fan of craisins because they're so sugary, but I'll just put a little bit in. Yeah.
I like them.
Me and my sugary stuff, but okay. So what do I do is I just sprinkle the sugar on top. Depends how much mayo I have, cup and a half, depending on how much broccoli I have. But
so
I just
it's the sauce you're gonna want to taste.
Yeah, exactly. So just a little bit of sugar. That's probably a teaspoon, and salt and pepper. Again, I remember this one comes out fast, so
oh, good job. And that one comes out slow.
Yeah. And you can add some garlic in here, whatever other celery salt, garlic salt. And then before you mix it, I just add a little bit of vinegar. It just kind of emulsifies it a bit, gets the acid going.
And gives a bit of a tang.
Yeah, and lemon would be good too.
Yeah, I add a little bit.
Yeah. So you can see it kind of changes the consistency as soon as the vinegar goes in. And it helps dissolve the sugar so you don't have the grind.
That's like
molecular structure. Say that. Okay, and then we just add her. Sometimes I don't have enough and I have to like make the dressing again. And I like this one. I find is one you have to let sit in the fridge for a little while to let it set up. Let the broccoli soak it in.
All the flavors melt together.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it in. Nothing fancy.
But still delicious.
I love this. I eat this like for a couple days.
So, again, really simple. There's not much that I have ever changed with this recipe. So basically, you're going to have your spinach, and it's been rinsed and dried off. And then I add some sliced up strawberries. Doesn't matter what size. Put a bunch of the strawberries in there. Why not? Yay, it's good for you. Okay, and then I add in purple onion, and I like thin, long slices. Just kind of because it looks nice. Really don't think there's anything to flavor or anything like that. Not too much. I'd say maybe quarter cup, half a cup. And then some grated mozzarella cheese. And again, it's just however much much you like cheese. Personally, I'm kind of cheesy,
You're-
so I do.
You're a cheese fan.
I am.
Discovered.
Yes, I am a fan of cheese. Good thing I'm not lactose intolerant. And then my dressing is really easy to make. It's a raspberry vinaigrette that you purchased. Give it a bit of a shake. Just free pour. You don't want a huge, huge amount. Just enough to lightly coat everything. Thank you, Jodene. You're like my Vanna.
I know.
Just give it a mix. Alright, and there you go. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but really yummy. Especially on like a hot day, salad, bring to a barbecue. And there we go. Yeah, simple, easy, and delicious. And nutritious.
It is.
Yeah. So if you guys are interested in trying out these recipes, let us know and we'll make sure that we get you the ingredients and the instructions. For the bacon. Have a good day, guys.
See you.